What is up, you guys? Welcome to the daily car grind. My name is Thomas. Today I'll be installing a little something on my Golf, which you're on top of. It's a 94. I'll take you for a small ride along and we'll see how that goes. At the end, I might be showing you inside this little thing behind me. But right now, let's dive in. The unpacking and the installing. I actually already opened it earlier because it was damaged when I got it, but check the contents. It was okay. So inside we have the order letter, some t-shirts and stuff. Catalog from the company I ordered it, Camlock. Crap, I'll go through that later. Inside the box we have another box. It's a green air filter. Didn't want to go with the K&N because I think might be hurting some people here. I think it's a bit overrated, overpriced, but if this isn't good, I'll go with the K&N and we'll see how that goes. But inside of this we have the very small open filter, which I will be installing and then take it for a test drive. We have a sticker, a clamp and a small brochure. So let's go right under the hood. I hope the positioning is okay. The plan is to remove the original airbox. I want to keep the filter itself as far away from the engine as possible, so I want to try and keep it at the original position. So get the old stuff out, put the new ones in. Here we go. this won't work, unfortunately. So I'm gonna keep the original box in place because it has some attachment for tubes and stuff onto it. This one, against all I want, I will put it here. Yeah, I'll put it on there with a little twist. So I'm putting this back in hopes of fresh air entering from the front, just going through the box, kind of blowing a little at the open filter itself. Performance wise, I know this is not gonna do anything, just it will sound a little deeper, I hope. That's really why I did it. Maybe in the future, when more updates are coming to the Golf, little engine swap, just 1.8 to 2.0, maybe add a charger to it, different pipe. This will help more, but for now I'm gonna go with this, see how I like it, how I like the sound, and we will go from there.
messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me why it is.
So guys, we are back at the garage. I hope you enjoyed the ride. I hope the videos I shot, the sound is good, because I did a tunnel blast and I really liked how it sounded for me, but I don't know how the video captured it, so hope it be good. So actually I promise you guys a little preview, a little view of what's in this guy. So that's what's up. I'm gonna call it quits here, and the video. Please leave a like, subscribe if you want to see more of this. We'll be doing a lot of more stuff to the cars. We'll video stuff to the cars, so be sure to subscribe if you like it. I'm out from now.
It is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again.